Well, cat had to go out. She desperately wants in. She's torn apart the screens. Cause this morning we woke up to quite a bit of loud chirping, and she had gotten through. She hadn't gotten through the fence. The guess is that she was laying atop it. One of the birds flew up a little bit, and she snatched it out of the air, as our guess. Point is, there was bird out, and she had managed to get to it. And I suspect very heavily that she pulled it out. It is mostly fine. It is back in with the other birds. It is one of the gold laced ones. I think it's hiding down here. It has a little bit of a limp, but apart from that, it is doing okay. And they've gotten a little bit bigger since the last time we saw them. Starting to feather out quite a bit. They're still active. They're doing fine. Yeah. So that kitty is gonna stay outside for a little bit, and we're gonna find a different solution to clamping a piece of fence on top of the brooder, because that it didn't work. Didn't work as well as we'd like. Not with a cat that is as interested as she is. Our other cat doesn't care. Hasn't even come to look at the birds. Yeah, yeah. They're getting bigger.